Hi guys and welcome back. So guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we're gonna talk about how to start, how to initiate, how to begin. So initial level, how you can do that, how you can start speaking in English. So what are the process I'm gonna share with you. And if you really wanna know, please stick with my channel because you are in a right place. And today I'm sure that after using these things, after using these tips, you going to be a speaker, you're going to initiate, you're going to go for Q&A, so question and answer. So guys, if you really want to know, please stick with my channel. And now everyone know about it, that my channel name is You Sound Crazy. So guys, You Sound Crazy, so let's jump to the topic today, how to begin. So my suggestion to all the beginner, because I did it in same way. So what I did, that I'm sharing with you. So what you can do, initially you can learn simple vocab. Guys, this actually work. Simple vocabulary like what, where, he, she, these everyone know. So just revise, improvise. So initially you can learn this thing and then go for the question and answer like we learn from books, right? So you go and check out, what is your name, where are you from, what are you doing, are you studying, I'm in college. So go with these small things. Initially you need to learn vocabulary. So tips number 1, first tips is vocabulary, small vocabulary. What, he, she, it, where, there, here, should. So these are the simple vocabulary and you must learn it. Okay, so tips number 1, this. Second tips for you is make a question. Ask a question, raise a question like, what is your name, where are you from, what are you doing. And remember, you have to follow, you have to learn, you have to practice every day, in front of mirror, in front of friend, family. You must use it. So tips number 2 is Q&A, question and answer. What is your name? My name is Mohan. Where are you from? I am from Bhopal, born and raised in here, currently this. So Q&A, second tips. Third tips, very important, start reading. Guys, when I say reading very simple, short, kids reading, kids, small stories like cat and dog, small stories. Don't do such big things that maybe you are interested, you want to learn, you have no time, but this is initially. So learn from the book, read short story. So tips number 3, read short story. This gonna work. Fourth tip for you is listen short story. Now it is available on YouTube, Google, right, podcast. So short story, you have to do it. So tips number 4 is listening stories. And last not the least, fifth is mirror practice. Guys, I always say to all of you, like if you're a beginner, intermediate, whoever you are, right now you're in a position, you are in a state of mind that where you can talk, that's fine, that is appreciable that you can talk. But if not, then talk in front of mirror, because this work like a miracle. Initially you find difficulty, but when you're doing it. So tips number 1, what, where, need to learn vocabulary. Tips number 2, like I said it to you, right? Follow these all tips. I've given you 5 tips. The same I'm sharing with you, and trust me, this work. So after this, you're going to shine, and you will able to talk, not in a proper manner, but you find yourself that yes, I can talk, I can raise a question. So guys, this gonna work. I learned like this. So guys, keep watching and keep sharing.